this. Damn it. You got into the garbage in the middle of the night. It's non-stop. It's never ending with you. Cats as travel companions. A lot different than dogs. Welcome everybody to another daily vlog. Another daily travel vlog. Woken up rudely by... She's giving me that look. Not exactly sure what's going on today, but because I have a travel channel now instead of a regular daily vlog, now there's always going to be something to record, even if it's just stuff like this. Well, the other day at Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights, I lost something. For the second time. And I should probably be able to replace what I've lost right here in Savannah, Georgia. At least that's what Google's telling me. No, I didn't lose Chili's or buffalo wings or anything. Yes, I replaced my Ray-Bans. It's so hard to find a Sunglass Hut. But if you guys ever need one, it's these outlets. These premium outlets places, they always have Sunglass Huts. At least that's what I've been finding out. So I replaced them with the same exact ones I just lost. Not the very first pair I lost, but the second pair I lost. So these are new Wayfarers, and they're so comfortable. I've been going like 3 days without my glasses, and it was driving me crazy. Guys can see that. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Not the cat's head, but look off here in the distance. Let's see if we can zoom in. How do you zoom? Turn the light on. There's a deer. A deer just walked right in front of me. Right here in downtown Orlando. That was just walked right across the street right there. It's right. The cat was watching. You seen it, didn't you? You seen it. It's hard to see, it's so dark over there. That's her, that's a deer. Sorry about the graininess. It's midnight. As I was driving down the road up here in Jacksonville, Florida right now, yeah, I said up here because I'm from further south. I attempted to do something pretty cool. I thought I was gonna try and break a Guinness Book of World Records of making the longest YouTube video ever recorded. I was just gonna let the camera roll as I go down the road, not realizing that batteries die, devices overheat. It was a failed attempt. It failed miserably. But I think I'm gonna work on that issue, and yeah, within the next week or so, I'm gonna start and try my best to make the world's longest YouTube video. And it'll probably look just like this. I mean, without any talking.